So this is very important. Now, what is redox signaling molecules? We have trillions of cells in the human body. And inside of the cell, something called mitochondrion, which is producing energy. Then the whole cells, it's in a kind of salt water bag. Human body is 70% water, is 70% salt and water. If you try your teardrops, if you try your sweatings in the gym, you feel it's salty water. So the whole body, and also in the cells, it's filled with salt and water. So when the mitochondrion producing energy, what happens is the byproduct is actually redox signaling molecules. It's coming from the words from reductants and oxidants. Now, this is naturally found, of course, in every single cell in the body, and it's responsible for so many things, but just to mention the most important ones, is repairing or replacing damaged cells, protecting cells from oxidative stress. It's very important for the immune system, and it activates important genes that are important for digestion, for hormone balance, for heart, immune system, and inflammation. It's very, 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 very powerful. Now, it also is very important to mention that these molecules is increasing the body's efficiencies of the body's own antioxidants usage by between 500 and 800%. This is also a very, very important. Now, this is an example of the apple, the rotten apple, when it's oxidized. Everybody knows this, when you cut an apple and you leave it there on the table. And this is something very similar in our cells. This is the normal cells we see, and this is when the cells in the middle, on the bottom of the middle, when the cells are attacked by the free radicals. And then when it's a bigger problem, when the cells with oxidative stress, this is how they look like, actually. It's a very, very visible difference. But once again, I want to repeat that it's helping our own body, how it's using antioxidants, the efficiencies, how to use antioxidants by 500, 800%. And it's all clinically proven, these facts. Now, how they make it, how they produce this. So the asset production is actually, they take very, very high quality, very, very filtered water and very, very high quality salt. So they mix salt and water, and then what they do, they break it down, the salt and water solution, they break it down into its own free floating atoms. And with the patented, very special patented technology, when they restructure back these free floating atoms, the same stabilized redox signaling molecules will occur that our body is producing. And this is the world's first and only redox signaling supplements available today. It's heavily, very, very, very heavily patented. Now, I did some research, and then it's minimum more than 6,000 companies, and it's every year is growing. So it's more than 6,000 companies are producing today more than 31,000 supplementations, food supplements, such as vitamins, minerals, essential oils, CBD oils. Now, CBD is a very, very growing market. A lot of companies producing CBD's products. Antioxidants. Now it's a big marketing tool that everybody's using the word antioxidants in the back of the packaging of the products. It took 50 years when they discovered antioxidants and the importance of antioxidants until it went to the general public. Exotic juices. So all this kind of markets is actually huge, and many, many companies are producing loads of products such as, and it's very important because of the quality of food. What we eat today, the nutrition level is not comparable what we had 100 years ago. So everybody recognizes this and everybody using this. It's very, very essential for the human body, including structured water. So all this supplementation business, I want to show you, it looks like compare with like a light bulbs. And we have companies who are producing light bulbs all over the world. And light bulbs is very, very important for us. Now, but without electricity, the light bulbs are not working. So you can have many, many light bulbs in the house, but if you don't have electricity, the light bulbs are not going to function. So to understand the human biology, I want to compare and I want to represent that actually in the human body, the redox signaling molecules are kind of electricity when we compare this with all this. No, but imagine one thing. How many companies are producing light bulbs, but it's only one company is producing electricity? So it's a very, very important for the business perspective that these products are very, very unique, very, very special. Everybody needs them. Once they study, when they learn more about redox, everybody realizes that everybody needs these products, but they can get only from us. It's only us that are producing this, so cannot be compared with any kind of vitamins, minerals, CBD oils, antioxidants, or structured water, or exotic juices. So it's very, very powerful in terms of business opportunity. Now, please, I know that most of us, I know that we are skeptical when we see such a things and big statements, but please know there are loads of laboratories and independent laboratories and scientists and universities who are studying this, and they prove that these products, what Asaya is producing, are including trillions of trillions active redox molecules, stabilized redox molecules.